Actually, we are working in R programming, but within the protection of RStudio.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. Clear your question? Abid Hussain sab, आपका question clear है?
Actually, your voice is not clear, Professor.
जी आबिद साहब,
Doctor, your voice is not clear.
Okay,
You are not
okay,
audible to me.
okay. Please all participant confirm my voice is clear.
Now it is okay. Now it is okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Before it was breaking.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So, Professor, my question was like that. Why not we use the script directly in the R? Why we use the RStudio? I
Okay.
know RStudio is an interface. Just
Okay,
we are
okay.
using the interface,
Yes.
and behind there is an engine.
Yes. Okay. When I am showing you R, here is the R. Its example is like as if you drive, for example, I give a two car example, car A and car B. R programming is like a car A. For example, there is a car A.
Yeah.
If you run directly script in car A, you may face a lot of hurdles. You may face a lot of errors. While, for example, if you drive this car, you may face sunlight, you may face dust, you may face rain, and so other hurdles you may face. But if you add this engine within a frame, you can avoid all these extra hurdles. Similarly, in R, you can check. I am going to write a script. If you check here, if I click here and write a message, data, there is no any suggestion. So it may be a chance of errors. There is no any suggestion for data. And when I write same word in R or Studio data, you can check, it will give me suggestion. So there are less chance of spelling mistake. When I select data, it will give me complete function. When I write same command, it does not give me any suggestion. I need to write manually each and everything. For example, I write a data, iris, and run. When I run this command, it gives me iris data, but there is no appearance of this data set. If I run another code str, iris, and run, you can check it give me the result in the same screen. No. If I run the same line in RStudio data, select iris. It will give you suggestion and your work will be very easy. And when you run it, it will give you your data set in here. You can check your data set preview. If you run another code, str, iris, and run, it will give you result in screen number 2. No. If you come back to R and if you want to edit this script again, there is no option for editing. If you want to run this line again, if you want to run data iris again, there is no any option to run it again. But in RStudio, if you have run this line and you want to edit, you can click anywhere and you can do editing. So same thing with RStudio are very easy as compared to R programming. So data analysts always prefer to add R programming into RStudio as well as Python into any IDE. If you can also run Python in this RStudio. If you click on Schemer 4, there is a button named R. If you click on this button, it will give you two options, R and Python. Click on Python, it will show you Python preview, Python interface, and if you click on R, it will give you R interface. Okay, no, please let me know your question is clear or if any confusion. Okay, Hamid Khan, don't worry. We will learn about what is str and rs. Rs is the built-in dataset which is already available in R programming. Abid, please confirm me. Your question is clear. Are you hearing me?
Yes, it's okay. Yeah,
Okay.
it's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. In our today class, we will learn about some other basic things about RStudio. So today our topic is what is working directory? Second, how to create a working directory. So working directory. I want to give you an small example to clear the difference to clear about working directory. So working directory is a folder. For example, if your supervisor gives you a task, please go to lab, and there is a cabin number 78 77, and this cabin number is your, and you save all research related tools in this cabin. Same after this task, your supervisor again give you a task, create a folder in your laptop and give name batch 77 and save all things related to your research work. Again, your supervisor say, please create working directory and save all and give its name batch 77 and save all your data analysis related tasks. So here are three different things. Cabin physically exists, folder found in our laptop or in our window, and working directory also found in window, but the difference between folder and working directory is that we can create a folder while you are in your window, but for working directory we will create working directory within our programming or within RStudio. So all three things are folder, three things are cabins, three things are working directory, but have different names. No. Next step is how to create a working directory. So in short, working directory is a folder as like folder in window. But this folder, but WD mean working directory. But working directory consists of R project file. So this folder have a extra file. When you create a working directory folder, this folder consists of an extra file name R project. No, uh, we create a working directory in our PC. So please all participants come on screen number 3 in our okay. Please come on screen number 3. In screen number 3 there is a button at right side top corner project none. Please all participants confirm. Have you this button? In my case button is appearing, so I am typing here yes. Yes. Please all participants respond yes or no. If you have this button, type yes. If you don't have, type no. Okay. Now click on this project none. It will give you a list showing, in my case, it is showing me batch 78, batch 75, RNA6, batch 76, batch 75, and other projects or other folders. But in your case, there will be no any working directory, but you can see a button showing new project. First button showing new project. Click on the first button, new project. It will ask you, want to save this or not. So this data set is not important. If your data is important, you can save. If not important, click on don't save. When you click on don't save, it will give you another page like this, showing three options. Showing three options. Okay, I am going to repeat again. Click on project none. Select first option, new project. When you click on new project, it will show you want to save or not. So I am going to click don't save. When you click on don't save, you will get three options: new directory, existing directory, version control. So select on new directory. Click on new directory. When you click on new directory, it will give you multiple options. First is new project or package, Shiny application, Carto projects, Carto websites, Carto blog, Carto book. We want to work for data analysis, so for data analysis we need a new project. Click on new project button. It will give you a box. Define here your file name or folder name or working directory name. So I want to give name batch 77. Give name batch 77 and select location. Click on browse button and select location where you want to save. I want to save this working directory folder in data analysis drive. Click on open button. Here use R environment with this project. Open in new session. You don't need to click on these two boxes. This should be unchecked. There is no need to click in these two boxes. Click on create a project. After giving you direction, giving name and location, click on create project. When you click on create project, it will give you new file of RStudio. It will give you new file of RStudio. Now you can check again in screen number 3, right top corner. It is showing me batch 77. No, batch 77 working directory have been created. Now to confirm, open this location. I give a location data analysis task in G drive. Yes, here is the batch 77 folder. Okay, so I have done this step. Please all participant done this step and type done within Zoom chat so that I can move to next step. Please all participant confirm. Create working directory and type done. If any participant unable to create or confused, or you can share your screen or you can open your mic. If you have done, please type done so that I can move to next step without wasting any time. I need your response from all participants. Okay, thank you. Now next step is here you can find 3 screens or 3 window. There are 3 screens or 3 windows. Click on maximize button. It will show you 4 screens. You can adjust size by clicking and dragging these screens above and below. All screens should be at equal level and with equal height and equal width at center, should be at center. Now our next task is, our first task was working directory. What is working directory? Second question, what is package? How to install and activate packages. Very sorry, actually today I think there is a internet issue in my site. That's why. Okay, let me share again. Now please confirm video is visible. Okay, thank you. Okay, what is the second question is what is package and how to install and activate? I want to clear again about packages with a simple example. For example, there is a participant name Hamid Khan and here is its supervisor. Today is the first day of Hamid Khan in his lab. No, I want to tell you a short story just within a 3 or 5 minutes, and to show you the how are working. M- In simple, I want to show you the uh, theme, or you can say mechanism of R, how R work. It's working as like you are working in your biological lab, in your physics lab, in your molecular biology lab, in your economics lab. You feel I am working in biological lab. So I will tell you a very short story. For example, here is the Dr. Hamid Khan and his supervisor, and there is a beaker on table, and there is a solution in this beaker. Now today is the first day of Dr. Hamid Khan. First task, Dr. Hamid, can you open your mic? I want to ask few questions from you.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, I'm hearing you.
okay, thank you. Sir, please let me know your field of study.
Uh,
Biological
Genetics,
sciences?
human genetics.
Okay,
Yeah,
biological sciences. Okay, good. Okay, now first task your supervisor give you. Please find its pH. Which tool you can use for pH?
pH meter,
Yes, your answer is pH meter. No, second task your supervisor give you. Find its temperature. Which tool you can use?
thermometer,
Thermometer. No, next task is find microorganism. Which tool you can use?
microscope,
Microscope. No, your supervisor say, please print this document. Which tool you can use?
printer,
Printer. No, your supervisor say, please call to Dr. Adnan. No. Which tool you can use?
telephone.
Telephone or mobile. If your
Yeah,
supervisor say, please write an application, you can use pen or page.
yeah,
If your supervisor say, type an application, you need keyboard. It's mean in our daily life or in our biological lab, in our physics lab, we need tool to perform any task. For example, if you want to do call, you need a cell phone. If you want to do live class on Zoom, you need your laptop, you need headphone, you need internet. All these are tools. So R is the programming language. R is the language. And in R language, tool, synonym for tool is package. Package. If I say pH meter is a package, it's mean pH meter is a tool. If I say thermometer is a package, it's mean thermometer is a tool. If I say microscope is a package, it's mean microscope is a tool. So tool mean package, package mean tool. Tool is in English word, package is in R programming language. As in our daily life, we need lot of tools to perform our daily life task. As I already gave you some examples, if you want to travel, you need a transport. It is also a machine. It is also a tool. As in our daily life, we need machines, tools, instruments. Similarly, in our studio, when we want to do task, we need tools. For example, if your supervisor say, please import file in R. Its example is like, for example, your supervisor say, please pick Dr. Adnan from home. You need a tool. You need a transport, car, bike, or any other transport. Similarly, to import file in R, you also need a tool. But the name of the tool is known as package in R. Package. If your supervisor say please perform descriptive stat. To perform a descriptive stat, you need a different tool. Name package. If your supervisor say perform correlation analysis, you need different package. Similarly, in our daily life, if you want to make a call, you can't dial a number from calculator. You need a cell phone. If you want to find temperature, you can't use microscope. Microscope is specific for microorganism. Thermometer is specific for temperature. Similarly, in R, each package is specific for specific analysis. So, in our daily life, we used a word tool, machine, instrument, but in our R language, we can use a word package. Similarly, in our labs, lot of tools are available for our analysis, our experiments. Similarly, in R programming, lot of tools are also available to perform specific analysis in R. If you come in screen number 4, there is a button. Here is the screen number 4. There is a button named package. If you click on this button, click on package, it will show you a complete list of tools which are available in R programming. So all these are tools already available in your RStudio lab. Abind AER Airway. This is the package name and its description. Package name, its description. Package name used for combined multi-dimensional array. AER applied econometrics with R. So if you scroll down, you can find lot of tools or packages which are already available in R. No, please confirm me. Have you clear idea about packages? Packages are actually tools which we use for specific analysis or specific task in R. As in our daily life, we used machinery, tools, instruments to perform our task. Similarly, in R, we also use tools. Please, if clear, type clear so that I can move to next step. Abid Ahmed, don't worry. These you have tools which these are the default. We need to install many more tools or packages. For example, if you are working in your lab, by default, um, limited things will be available in your lab, but when you will start your experiment, maybe you need some specific requirement according to your experiment. So we will install, we will purchase, we will install, don't purchase, we will install these packages step by step. Okay, now next step is how these packages are working. How packages are working. How packages working. Packages working. Similarly, in our daily life, don't worry, we will install all these packages according to our need. How packages work. For example, I want to give example again for lab. Are you in your lab? Your supervisor say please find pH. Find pH. For example, you don't know which tool you can use for pH. The first question should be arise in your mind. When your supervisor gives you a task, first question which arise in your mind, which tool will be used for, which tool will be used to measure, to find pH. This question should be arise in your mind. You ask a question from your supervisor, which tool I can use to find a pH. Your supervisor replied, you can use pH meter. The second question, this is the very important step, please. You can also note. The second question should be arise in your mind. Is this tool available in your lab? Is this tool available in your lab? Here your answer may be yes, or your answer may be no. If your answer is yes, if you have this tool, for example, if you have pH meter in your lab, nowadays all machinery are electronics. So if your answer is yes, then you will turn on this machine and do work, find pH. If your answer is no, it means you don't have pH meter in your lab. So to measure a pH, you need a pH meter. No, your answer is no. If your answer is no, first we will install or arrange pH meter. Then we will turn on, and then we will perform work or work based on this mechanism. These two questions should be arise in your mind, and first question, is this tool is available? Your answer may be yes or no. If your answer is yes, turn on and then work. If your answer is no, install and then do work. Okay, now come to R. These are the general examples. Now I want to perform this task in R.
Can I ask a question?
Yes. Yes, please. Yes, please, you can ask a question.
As we have the basic information like
Hello.
how to measure the pH, how to sorry, are you hearing me?
Yes, yes.
Uh, just like here we have some basic knowledge, like how to measure the pH, how to calculate XYZ. But for packages, we don't have much information. Like, for example, I wanna perform RNA-seq, or if, for example, I wanna perform something else. So how will I come to know which tool, which package is the best choice?
Yes, I will tell you. Don't worry. Step by step, you will learn each and everything. Okay. At start, we will our first question. Please first attend this topic. Hopefully, your question will be resolved. We will work step by step, and we will learn each and
Okay.
every package name, and each and every. For example, you want to perform regression. There should be a question in your mind. Which tool I use for regression? If you want to perform RNA-seq, there must be a question in your mind which tool I use to perform RNA-seq. So we will learn these steps one by one. Okay. No, today your first task is no, I
Okay.
am working in R. No, you also work with me. Your first task in R. Your first task is import Excel file in R. When you are given any task in R or in our daily life, two questions should be arise in your mind. Question number one, which, now we are working in R, so we will use a word package. Which package will be used to import Excel file in R? There must be a question in your mind. The answer is you can use readxl package. Readxl is the package name. As like if you want to find pH meter, pH, the first question should be in your mind, which tool I use to find pH? Answer is pH meter. Second question, is pH meter available in your lab? Similarly in R, is it available in R? Here your answer may be yes or no. If pH meter is available in your lab, type yes. If not available, type no. No. Our tool is readxl. So first we need to confirm this tool is available in R or not. If it is available, then we able to import this file. If it is not available in our RStudio, we are unable to import any file in R or any Excel file in R. No, please, all participant, we have a first answer readxl. No, we need to confirm readxl is found in our lab or not. So come on screen number 4. Click on packages button. Here is a list of all tools, all machines, all packages. Here is a search bar. Click here and search readxl. In my case, it is showing me readxl. My answer is yes. My answer is yes. Very sorry. Actually, I think there is an internet issue in my side today. Okay. Hope no, it is clear. Okay. Sorry. Actually, there is a very low today internet in my sites. That's why we are facing some issues. Okay, I am going to stop today class here because there is some distortion and issues. So I will revise this class and in tomorrow class and start our work from here again. Okay. Please confirm me. No, are you? I'm audible. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Please just confirm. Just perform one step more. Come on screen number 3. Please come on screen number. Screen number 4. Here is a package button. Click on package button. It will give you a list and search here readxl. There is a search box in screen number 4. Type here readxl. In my case, it is showing me readxl. So my answer is yes, readxl available. Please, if you found readxl in screen number 4, type yes. If there is no readxl, type no. So our second question was, is it available in R? So there our answer yes or no. If your answer is yes, then you will turn on. If your answer is no, then you will arrange or install this tool. Install as in your lab. If you have a pH meter, you can do work. If you don't have, first you need to arrange pH meter. So first we need to arrange a readxl. So we install readxl. Come on screen number 4. Click on packages. Under packages there are two headings, install and update. Click on install button. Click on install button. It will give you an application form. In this form, at the center line type readxl and click on install button. readxl and click on install button. It will give you red lines in screen number 2. It will give you red lines in screen number 2 with warning message, and a red circle appeared in screen number 2. But after a few seconds, it will give you another line in black color showing you package readxl successfully unpacked. Package readxl successfully unpacked. Yes. Now I get a message. Package readxl successfully unpacked. It means we have successfully installed readxl package in our R programming. Now again confirm. Have you installed and found? Have you installed and found in screen number 4? No, in my case it is found here. So I'm typing here yes. Please all participant install and type yes. Now it's appearing. So it's mean, for example, you purchase a new mobile phone. Here is your mobile phone. When you turn on your mobile phone first time, you can see lot of tools are already installed. You don't need to install any basic tools, but we need some other tools like we need a WhatsApp, we need a Zoom, we need Facebook to install later. But when you open your mobile phone, lot of tools are already available in your mobile phone. Similarly, in R, lot of packages are already available. We need few packages for our working. Okay, Miss Hajra Ashraf, please let me know, have you done? Please wait.
Yes, I have done it.
Okay, and Classy, please also confirm, have you done? You need to wait until red dot from screen number 2 will disappear. When red dot disappear, then it will give you a message, package successfully unpacked or failed. Classy, please also confirm. Your message is not yet. Have you done? Okay. Okay, thank you, and very sorry for disturbing during class. Actually, again telling you due to internet issues, but maybe it's for today. Okay, I am no, in our next class I will revise few things again, and then we will move to next step. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.